Stop sending your private data to OpenAI or other companies. Today, I'm going to show you how to self-host your fully capable AI model on your own server, and for free. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your Debian server into a private intelligence hub using Ollama and Open WebUI. It's easier than you think, so without taking much of your time, let's get into it. Hello everyone and welcome back to Libre-Data. If you have been following the channel, you would know that I love to find alternatives to big tech. We rely so much on ChatGPT or cloud, but reality is we don't know what is happening with our data. Today we are fixing that. I'm gonna show you how to self-host Ollama and Open WebUI. It looks and feels just like ChatGPT. The only difference is your data stay on your server. You don't need to be a Linux wizard to do that. So enough talking and let's go to the terminal. Alright, here I'm using my Debian VM. You can use the exact same commands if you have an Ubuntu server. And if you don't have that yet, I will link you a video on how to do that. So first you have to install the system updates. Just type sudo apt update, sudo apt full upgrade, yes. And my system is up to date. Then you have to install a tool called curl. So just type sudo apt install curl and enter. Alright, it's already installed. Now you have to install Docker. Just paste this bad boy and enter. And as always, you can find all commands I'm using in the description box. And it's installed. Now with the command docker -v, you can see which version you are running. Go to this GitHub page to install Open WebUI and Ollama. Scroll down. And this is what we are looking for, the bundle of Open WebUI and Ollama. If you have a graphic card, you can copy this command. But if you don't have one, you can use the power of your CPU instead. I don't have a graphic card, but for my use case, this one is more than enough. So I will copy this. Alright, this will go and create two Docker containers. The first one is Ollama, and the second one is Open WebUI. Both containers will start with the system always, and we are binding port 3000 to 8080. So hit enter, and give it some minutes to download. And it's done. Now let's see if the Docker container is running. So type sudo docker ps, and here it is. Here you can see the container ID, the image name, when it was created, status, and the used port. And the port 8080 is exposed and bind to port 3000. Now let's see what is the IP address of that VM. Just type IP add, and here it is. So let's copy this. Now in the browser, paste the IP address and the port we are using, which is 3000, without the S. And we are in. Click on Get Started. My name today is Sweet. And enter your email address and a password. Okay, let's go. And we are in. Now if I type anything here and enter, it is telling me there is no selected model because I haven't installed anyone. So let's close this. Click on your user profile, settings, admin settings, and connections. Here you can see the Ollama is already running, which we have already installed using that Docker container. So go to Models and select Manage Models. Here you can enter the name of the model you want to install, then you can click on Download. Or you can click here to see available models. I want something really small because I don't have a GPU connected, just like I said before. So I think this one is okay. It is a 270 million parameter, so it is good for my CPU. So let's copy its name and go back to Open WebUI, paste it here and download.
A few moments later.
And it's done, so let's go back. And the model is now installed. You can also install new models from here. So just type the name of the model and select pull from ollama.com. And it's done. Now let's select it. Let's ask it something like, how can I fix my printer? As you can see, it's not really fast because I don't have a GPU, just like I said. But as long as it generates faster than I can read, I'm okay with that. And as you can see, it's showing me some tips on how to fix that. The WebUI looks just like ChatGPT. Here you can send another message. Here you can upload files or something. Here you can add integrations. Here you can dictate, or you can use the voice mode. Up here you can see all your chats. And if you click on this plus, you can add another model to the conversation. And that's how you take back control of your digital life. Now you have a fully working AI server that's running 24/7. If you have a powerful GPU, you can also generate photos with it. Right now we are accessing the server using its IP address. I know this is ugly, and that's why I made a full video on how to use your own .com domain to access your self-hosted apps, like Open WebUI or Nextcloud. If you run into any problems, let me know in the comments. This is Libre-Data, and we are just getting started. See you in the next time.